Hi guys, it's Tracy and I am here with my Boxycharm Premium for the month of June, and the theme this month is Express Yourself Boxycharm. It's got a rainbow theme, so Pride Month. Nice. I'm not feeling well. I don't have makeup on. I don't, we had a yard sale today and it just set my pain off like really bad. So, but I just got it and I'm like, I want to put it up before, and choice is on Monday. If you guys, if this gets uploaded by then, I don't know that it will. And my son and my daughter-in-law are here because they're going to be moving to Colorado. My son got another job. So he got a job with Southwest Airlines, so he's really stoked about it. He's been trying to get in with them for years, and he finally got a job. And after 6 months, he can transfer to anybody that has an opening, so like maybe San Diego or Palm Springs or Ontario. And then, but he doesn't really want to come back to California. Only his wife does. But it means free flights, so that'll be cool. I can take a free flight somewhere. So if you guys want to meet up, let me know. Let's see, the first item on the list is this Lorac Pro Palette Artist Edition Meraki. I think this is like a newer palette. And they sent me an email saying that they didn't have the Dominique Cosmetics blush that I chose as my choice item, and I'm like, how did you not have it? It was in the shop to buy. So they gave me a $12 credit to use on something, and I'm like, but if I wanted to buy something for $12, that wouldn't even cover the postage, or now they charge you shipping and handling. So I don't know. This is like a very basic neutral. I mean, this is like, like all of these colors. Look at how similar. Ugh. I mean, this could have probably been a 9-pan palette and we would have been good. But I'll give it a try, see how it turns out. I don't know that I've ever even tried Lorac before. There was one palette I was looking at. It was some like forest something, and it was on sale, and I went back, it wasn't on sale. So that is $45. That's a lot. Okay, and then next up is the Patrick Ta Major Volume Mascara. That was a lip gloss. I don't need it. I have so many mascaras. I do not need a mascara. Oof. That's the last thing I will see. Oh yeah, it's a nice tube. And it says 4 eyes, like duh. It's usually where I would use my mascara. So let's see. This says that it is an intensely black, ultra dramatic mascara, custom double cut brush, combs through and loads your lashes for ultimate volume, lift, and definition. And it is $29. Whew, that's expensive. Next up is the Persona Cosmetics Swipe Up Brow Gel. And did they give me a color? Warm brown. I guess that might. Watch, there's Mr. Everybody's coming out. So there's the little tube. And that's the applicator. I heard people say that they really like this and that it deposits a lot of color when they I heard somebody say they just used this to fill in their brows and they were good. So that's nice. Let's see what else. Glow Recipe Plum Plump Hyaluronic Serum. I think this was my other choice item. So I don't know what item they swapped for the blush. Probably this other product that I already have. So this is a Plum Plump Hyaluronic Serum, and this is actually a repeat product for me because I have had it from Boxycharm before, but I don't mind. And this is $42, and it is a concentrated formula is your go-to for plump, radiant skin. This silky water gel serum features a unique blend of 3 types of plum, hyaluronic acid, and vegan collagen. The formula contains 5 weights of hyaluronic acid to target different layers of the skin for deep hydration. $42. That's a lot. Okay, and then we have Ofra Cosmetics highlighter, and this is $35, and the shade is Rodeo Drive, and I already have Rodeo Drive in the old packaging, the round packaging. So there that is. And this is, I think I said $35. Yeah. And then this is called Shadow Moon Reusable Shadow Shields. This is a silicone reusable shadow shield for fast and flawless eye makeup application. It catches eyeshadow fallout and creates a straight edge for eyeshadow and winged liner, and for perfect application it doubles as an under eye cooler to help soothe puffy morning eyes, cool in the fridge or freezer to depuff your under eye area. It's designed with a grip and no adhesive is needed. $15. Not a bad price if you needed to repurchase. So, jeez, mess today. My allergies have been acting up. Whew. Can't get that out. Out. Jeez. Oh, it's just one. What the heck is this? Don't most things have 2? And how is this supposed to, how are you going to stick this to your eye? It's not, it doesn't stay. Like, you're supposed to do this and be trying to do your eyeshadow? If that's how this works, this is a definite big fat no for me. That, I've never seen anything like that. That's weird. That's one of the weirder items that we've received in the Boxycharm. So we will see. Let's see how much this box is worth. $185. So not the biggest bang for the buck. This is not really, I'm not that excited, you know, for this, because like the eyeshadow palette is super neutral. I have the Rodeo Drive highlighter. I'm interested to try this and the Persona brow gel, the glow recipe. I wanted that, so that's cool. So that shadow thing is weird. I have a feeling it's not going to work. It doesn't look like it's going to work. So that, my friends, is my box for June 2022. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're new, welcome to my channel. And make sure you subscribe before you leave. I'd love to have you as a part of our little clique over here. And what else? I have a referral down. I'll list it down in the description box. I think you get a free item if you sign up right now. And I'll or I'll try to remember to put it down there if you want to use it. If not, you can always just go to boxycharm.com and sign up. So this is the middle box. They have the base, the premium, and then the luxe is every 3 months. And I think this month is a luxe month. I canceled all of the other. I just get the premium one now, and I'm good. And then you can shop on the choice day. So Monday is choice day. If you get to see this before then, if it uploads correctly. So yeah, I hope that you guys have a great weekend, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye guys.